me and my hood, we connected like cable. Hit us block 9 ridges like ketchup and tater. On the way to the top of the top, gotta make it.
Hey man, say man, was Power Slide Mr. One and Only, man. No cap, no coming through with another lit. Yes, sir. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming back with y'all with a vlog. I never did a vlog in a long time. I never did a vlog in probably like months. The last time I did a vlog was we was in a fun spot in Florida. So today we finna be picking up our fireworks that we bought for 4th of July. So I had to get this on tape. This the first time we ever spent this much on fireworks. And we spent $2,000 worth of fireworks, you know what I'm saying? Before we go on the road, man, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss my posting another banger, man. Appreciate y'all for giving me the 500 road to 1K. You dig? Woo! We finna get on the road right now. On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again.
One hour later. 2 hours later.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we finally made it to the fireworks place you see from back there. We had to drive at least probably 2 hours. We somewhere in Pennsylvania, so we had to drive 2 hours. So we're gonna go in there. We're ordering stuff online. That's a good part about it. Not to be in it that long. We bought $1,000 worth of fireworks. So we finna blow up the whole block with it, you feel what I'm saying? And then we might even buy some more because there's a sale going on. And then I'm gonna show y'all what we got when we get back home. So let's get right into that drink. Oh, before we go in there, you gotta strap up your dig, you know what I'm saying? Cause you know the virus out here, so let's go. Man, I couldn't record for y'all in there. It was too much commotion, everybody walking around. And you know that corona going around. It was one old man. He just kept coughing everywhere. Oh, goodness. So we had to get up out of there. Cause like no cap. He was coughing up a storm.
Oh. Whoa.
So I couldn't record for y'all like that. I might even put the pictures that I have on Google in there so I can show y'all what it looked like in there. So yeah, we got the fireworks, finna head home now. So let's get it, let's go. Yee. And then this stuff in the back that we bought online. We got a lot of stuff. And now we finna check. That we got everything in the box, cause they might try to finesse you, feel what I'm saying? I'll open it up now, see if we got everything in the box. Checking your car. Man, the fun thing about it, man, we bought so many fireworks. They made us a member of this place. So next time, man, I'm the plug for the fireworks. So if you need some fireworks, call me up and do what I'm saying. We certified with this drink. Yes, sir, ski, you did.
The next day.
Hey man, say man, so today is the next day, alright? So I want to review the fireworks in my hand, show them to y'all individually, but I didn't have my tripod and the fireworks at my other house, so I'm just gonna have to thug it out. Alright, so this is how this price video is gonna go. First, I'm gonna say the sale that they had when I went. Second, I'm gonna say the price that we paid for the fireworks, and then I'm just gonna get to reviewing the fireworks individually. Alright, so it was buy one get two free, so I definitely take advantage of that sale. You know the vibes. And then we paid $1,082.33. The total fireworks that we got was $63, and then we saved $2,101.57. That's a lot of savings. The total bonus value was $304.95. So when these fireworks places have sales, they definitely take advantage of the sales, because I definitely did this year. If you made it to this part of the video, man, I appreciate you, man. You're a real supporter. Make sure you like and subscribe, man. Turn on post notifications so you'll miss on posting a banger, man. You did. Oh yeah, enjoy the montage. Thank you.
I need an arm and leg. I need an arm and head. Cardi and love it, leg. Arm and leg. Head and check. Arm and leg. Head and check. Cardi and love it, bread. Cardi can't. Big. Arm and leg. Head and check. Arm and leg. Head and check. Got up on fire, bought us some bread, got up on fire, bought us some bread, arm and leg, head and chest, arm and leg, head and chest, yo, fucking that bit in my vein, fucking that bit in the vein, the shawty she wet, shawty get wet in the bed, hey, niggas they trying, until they get checked, hey, these bitches be lying, hey, got it by check, jet flick, that shawty gon' hop in the jet, that shawty gon' go overseas, hop in the beat and I beast, calling me beast in the sheets, fucking that bitch on the beach, this is my cool, it's a leash, hop in that cool, feel like me, all of my niggas to eat, we feast, ballin' the beat, feeling like beat, rapping the beat, shout out G-Weed, number 9 with no crease, at least, I need an arm and leg, I need an arm and head, Cardi and love it, leg, arm and leg, head and check, arm and leg, head and check, Cardi and love it, bread, Cardi can't fuck with the fed, Cardi and love with the bread, Cardi can't fuck with the fed, arm and leg, head and check, arm and leg, head and check, got up on fire, bought us some bread, got up on fire, bought us some bread, arm and leg, head and chest, arm and leg, head and chest, got up on fire, bought us some bread, got a bad bread, bought us some bread, arm and leg, head and chest, 30,000 babe, on my rig. Since I ain't low with the bread, since I gon' get in check, since I get Carter to tag, Carter since ain't like a check, we gotta get it and go, 100,000 on the road, I ain't running to the 6, but like Dre boy you know how they go, I gotta do what I told, I gotta do what I'm told, I gotta get it and go, 100,000 on the road, already know how it go.